Hey guys, Giggins here. Let's talk about 10 interesting tequila facts. Tequila is not made from cactus. It's made from blue agave plant, which is not a cactus. It's not made from leaves either. It's made from root below ground. Mexicans don't use lime and salt. They shoot it up straight. Sometimes with a drink called sangrita or with lime juice. Tequila is made only in Mexico. It's actually a specific type of mezcal with a specific region of Jalisco made only from blue agave. Regular tequila consists of 50-50 tequila and vodka. Real 100% tequila is expensive, somewhat harsh, and is meant to be drunk by sipping, like brandy. Regular gold or oro tequila is actually the same silver or blanco, just colored with caramel. Lime and salt is just a ritual. It doesn't really do anything. I know it's hard to convince yourself if you have believed in it for a long time, but tequila is one of the smoothest shots ever. Aged tequila is very young if compared with other aged drinks. For example, one of the oldest categories, the añejo, which means old, is aged only 1 to 3 years. Tequila and cola is actually tasty, I promise. It's amazing, it's really good. Try this. The village of Tequila was established in year 1666. The drink of Satan. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Please subscribe. Bye bye.